So managed cybersecurity services would entail typically a suite of tools that we would employ in order to protect an organization. And from kind of a top to bottom, what we look at is from a networking perspective, making sure that you have a properly configured and up-to-date firewall on your network, that the servers and other equipment, the PCs that your users use, are all also patched properly from a security perspective, so they're not vulnerable. In addition, those devices such as PCs and servers would also be running software, anything from antivirus to endpoint detect and response, to threat hunting software, which is really just advanced, antivirus that incorporates artificial intelligence, looking for anything out of the ordinary that would be happening on a device and making sure that that gets stopped. It would include limiting, what a user is able to do on a machine. And then once we move out of the realm of the hardware and the software, we look ultimately at the users themselves and what kind of role they play in cybersecurity. And that typically revolves around education. So we work with clients to make sure that their users are educated in such a way that they themselves have a better understanding of what a threat might look like, and they can be that kind of first line of defense, if you will.